Do you want to know how I created this tortoise shell design? Then stay tuned and check out this tutorial. I start as usual with a layer of base coat and base powder. Now I pour some pumpkin pie color into our dip tray, lightly tap of the X's on the sides, and then add a few accents. Here I'm working with the colors Happy Halloween and Tropical Orange. I lightly blend the added accents with a tool and then apply another layer of base coat. Now I place the inverted nail into the tray and tilt it gently from side to side to distribute the color across the entire nail. I carefully brush off any excess powder and apply a second layer of base coat. Without mixing the powder, I once again add a few accents and dip the nail back into the tray. I repeat this process on all nails, starting by adding some pumpkin pie and then setting accents with 2 other colors. You can always vary the placement of the accents, just like with a real tortoise shell pattern. Try not to move the nail too much while dipping to ensure that the pattern transfers precisely onto the nail. Now I let the nails cure with the activator for 2 minutes and finish by applying 2 coats of top coat with a 2-minute break in between each. And of course, don't forget the nail oil for extra care and a special shine. How do you like the result? Thank you so much for watching and have fun creating!